After coaching 700 plus clients to break their toxic recurring pattern and attract the relationship that they truly desire, here is something I found common between everyone who was able to manifest their desired relationship. Their mindset was very different from people who are unlucky in love or who keep manifesting toxic recurring relationship pattern. And to understand this mindset, we need to first of all understand a very simple equation. That equation is cause and effect. Now, this is the equation based on which our entire reality operates, our entire universe operates, and this is the equation based upon which our subconscious mind operates. And to understand the mindset, we need to understand cause and effect. And what is cause and effect? Cause and effect is simply an equation that says for anything to happen, there needs to be a cause. So, cause equals to effect. Now, people who are unlucky in love or who keep manifesting these toxic recurring relationship pattern, they have something very common. That is, their subconscious mind is on the effect side of the equation. Their subconscious mind operates on the effect side. So, if their subconscious mind is on the effect side, then what is on the cause side? That is the world, their entire reality. Now, with this kind of a subconscious mindset, what actually happens is reality influences their emotion and they struggle to manifest. And it's quite easy to spot such kind of people. The way these people think is they will keep blaming the partner. They will keep blaming the world. They will keep feeling like the world is not a good place. And they will keep relying on their external reality to make them feel happy. Now, the ironic part is the world doesn't operate to make you feel happy. There can be good days, there can be bad days. So that means your happiness is highly dependent upon your external reality. And that means the probability of your happiness or finding the love that you truly desire is significantly lower. However, people who are lucky in love or people who are able to attract their desired relationship into their reality have a very different mindset because their subconscious mind is on the cause side of the equation. And if their subconscious mind is on the cause side of the equation, then that means that the world and the reality is the effect. And what happens with this subconscious mindset? Their emotion influences their reality, and these people manifest their desires easily. The reason is these people understand that the reality is a reflection of whatever they are feeling inside. These people are able to manifest their desired reality very easily because they understand how reality operates. I want you guys to understand something very important over there. People who are on the effect side get easily influenced by the world, but people who are on the cause side realize that whatever is happening in their reality is a manifestation of their own emotions. Now, this subtle shift in which side of the equation your subconscious mind is dictates your entire reality and what kind of experience you have within this life. And a lot of us want to be on the cause side of the equation. But the problem with that is it's easier said than done. But it's not as hard as you might think of it if you understand the right steps to move your subconscious mind from the effect side to the cause side of the equation. Now, let's suppose if you want to transition from the effect side to the cause side of the equation, you need to go through 4 stages of transformation. Now, these 4 stages are subconscious incompetence, conscious incompetence, and then comes subconscious competence and conscious competence. And once you are at conscious competence, you are on the cause side of the equation. You can manifest whatever you want easily into your life. Now, these 4 stages are what you need to pass through to get to the cause side of the equation. But in order for you to pass all these 4 stages, you need to first of all understand what these 4 stages are. First stage is subconscious incompetence. This is where the resistance is the highest. These are the kind of people who do not even believe in the idea that they can create their own reality. And a lot of the people are on this particular stage. And the ironic part is if someone is stuck at this particular stage, they will never ever be able to experience a reality where they're able to attract whatever they truly desire because they do not even believe that it is possible. Then comes stage 2, that is conscious incompetence. That means you subconsciously accept and you welcome the idea that your mindset shift and changing your subconscious mind can make you manifest whatever you truly desire. However, you have conscious incompetence. So this means that you do not have the tools or the method that you can use to manifest whatever you truly desire. Now, at this particular stage, people go and watch a lot of law of attraction videos, law of vibration, law of assumption. They try to give it a shot to understand what sticks. However, they are still not sure about what will actually work for them. Then comes the third stage, which is subconscious competence. Now, at this particular stage, the resistance is very low because your subconscious mind is able to see that you have been able to manifest certain things into your reality, but those manifestations haven't been sustainable. That means you are able to manifest something, but then that manifestation goes away, and then you are back to stage two where you want to try some technique to see what sticks. This means that you have now developed some kind of subconscious competence. However, you still do not have conscious competence. You are not able to manifest your desired reality, your SP, or your relationship at command. At this stage, you are able to see certain results, but they are not sustainable. Then comes the last stage of the transformation, which is the conscious competence. Now, at this particular stage, you realize what techniques work. You realize what kind of method you need to manifest whatever you truly desire. Now you have developed conscious competency. And this stage is the final stage of your transformation. Now, to understand how to go from stage one to stage four, you need to understand the resistance. Now, before I explain to you how resistance works, what if I told you 90 minutes from now, you will be on stage four, you will be able to manifest whatever you truly desire because I have launched a 90-minute course on instant heartbreak healing mastery. Now, in this course, I cover a few modules in which I take you from beginner to advanced and I teach you the art of instant healing hypnosis to heal a heartbreak and realize how you can just control your subconscious mind and take certain steps in less than 90 minutes that will make you attract whatever you truly desire. So the link is in the description. Go check it out and it might just completely transform your life. Now let's understand what is resistance. Because in order for you to go from stage one to stage four, that is from subconscious incompetence all the way to conscious competence, we need to understand resistance because the difference between each and every stage is the amount of subconscious resistance that you have. Now, this resistance is based upon our childhood conditioning, our parent related influence on us, our parent related wound, which can include father wound, mother wound, or our childhood conditioning. Now, these things are shaped between the ages of 1 to 9. Now, in between these ages, whatever happens silently dictates whatever you manifest into your reality. And because of all the events that happen between the ages of 1 to 9, a lot of the people get stuck with the mindset that the reality or their world is the cause and they are the effect. And these are the kind of people who keep manifesting toxic recurring pattern in their relationship. Now, toxic recurring pattern in relationship is a byproduct of our childhood conditioning. And this is where I want to emphasize to you guys. Once you start healing whatever happened between the ages of 1 to 9, if you had a father wound, mother wound, if you had an emotionally turbulent childhood, if you start healing that, the resistance goes down. And with the right healing modality, your subconscious mind instantly shifts from the effect side of the equation to the cause side of equation. And this is exactly what I have observed with all my clients. Because in my 15 days instant healing program, my entire purpose is to take my clients from the effect side of the equation to the cause side of the equation. And the way I tend to do that is I get inside their subconscious mind, heal the father and mother related traumas or their childhood traumas. And just by doing that, their subconscious mind realizes something very important, that the reality is a reflection or whatever they're feeling inside. And once they get a taste of that, they realize manifesting anything is a piece of cake. All they have to do is just get inside their subconscious mind, shift their emotions, which is their neurological state. And you can do all of that just by going to a therapist. You can go and visit your therapist. Your therapist might help you remove the blockages that you have inside your subconscious mind, and that shifts your neurological state. Now, in my line of work, I prefer instant healing hypnosis because in my 15 days instant healing program, I tend to teach my client the art of instant healing hypnosis so that they can get inside their subconscious mind, remove their subconscious blockages in less than 2 to 3 minutes. So as a result of that, these people experience the shift in less than a couple of minutes and they're able to feel that shift. Then I also provide them a roadmap. Now, in this roadmap, I list down different kind of emotions. These different kind of emotions are what we feel throughout our life. And I teach my clients how to get inside their subconscious mind and remove blockages from all of these emotions. Once they remove the blockage, they realize how they can operate in their life that can help them manifest whatever they truly desire. But I also teach my clients conversational hypnosis because a lot of the relationships are dependent upon our conversation. And a lot of the relationships fall apart because of poor communication skill. And that is what I teach my clients in conversational hypnosis. The art of subconsciously connecting with other person's subconscious mind during any kind of casual conversation. And in less than a minute of casual conversation, the other person feels more attracted and drawn towards you, and you can feel that and you can see that. And when you combine both of these tools together, that is instant healing hypnosis and conversational hypnosis, you become a magnet for your desired relationship and you are able to attract your desired relationship and have a long-term sustainable relationship. Now, if you would be interested in that, you can sign up for a free mini therapy session with me, which is my enrollment process into my 15 days instant healing program. Now, in this free mini therapy session, I assess your subconscious mind map where I'm trying to identify if you are at stage 1 or stage 2. Because if you are at stage 1, that is you have subconscious incompetence. You are unable to even realize that it is even possible. I might even refuse your application. So in this session, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to understand if you have the subconscious capability to trust the process and you are subconsciously primed and you are 100% sure that my program is going to work for you. And if I feel I can promise you the results, I will allow you to enroll into my program. However, if I feel like maybe I cannot promise you the results, maybe I'm not a great fit for you, I might refuse your application because my program comes with a money back guarantee. That means you either get the results or you get your money back. This is the same program I have used with 700 plus clients by now, and they have all seen the results in their reality and they have all experienced the shift in their relationship dynamics. And this is exactly what I do to make people transform their entire relationship blueprint. I hope that this video gives you an insight into how your subconscious mind works, how you can start transforming your entire reality starting from today if you understand how to transition from the effect side to the cause side of the equation. I'll see you guys in the next video. Up until then, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep healing. Bye bye.